Hello, we're here to introduce our new turn signal switch kit, part number TS01. This is a 12 volt negative ground turn signal switch kit that features the all metal turn signal switch that mounts to your steering column, has all the connectors already connected onto the switch itself, so you can run it right down the steering column. It comes with a clamp, which is an integrated clamp into that that goes around the steering column. It comes with the all the wiring connectors that you'll need to install this. The wiring harness itself, again, has all the connectors already installed, along with the 3-pin connector for the flasher that supports the LED flasher that comes with the kit, and this is a 3-pin flasher that will run both incandescent and LEDs, and a bag of clamps to make the installation really neat, so you can clamp it to the frame or the body. So all of this is included. The only thing that you'll need to add are the light bulbs and the connectors, and many times you can use the tail light connectors with a dual filament bulb, and then add the front connectors and headlights. But this is a great kit if you're thinking about adding a turn signal switch to any vehicle, car, truck, wagon. Okay, well, thanks for looking, and you can find this on vintageautogarage.com.